Okay, so I just wanted to hop on today to show how quick and easy metal stamping your seed phrase into titanium is. I think there's this perception out there that it's hard to do or it takes a lot of time, and I'm here to just show you that really is not the case. So we're gonna stamp the word stamp and seed right in here. Let's see how long it takes. This is without standing. It's a lot easier when you stand, but I'm sitting just because I'm making this video. I'm still able to do this very easily. Okay, one word done. All right, so 2 words stamped in, I don't know, under a minute. So not too bad. I guess it would take you 12 minutes or so to do a whole 24-word plate. Um, really not that much time, and it also is very easy. I was sitting down while doing this. The tools just make it that much easier for you to do. So now you have seed words stamped into the metal for one solid piece. You know, these letters aren't going anywhere. And, possible to do this in under 15 minutes. So hope this helps alleviate some of the concerns about, you know, the skill level you may need to do this and also the duration it's going to take. So hope this helps.